Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating your Discord account using a 6-digit authentication code. Follow the steps below to secure your account and enjoy a safer Discord experience. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your computer or mobile device. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to sign into your Discord account. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, click on the User Settings gear icon at the bottom left of the screen. In the menu that appears, select Security and Privacy. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. In the Security section, click on the Enable two-factor authentication button. This will prompt you to enter a password again for verification. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to choose between using an authentication app, such as Google Authenticator, or receiving a code via SMS. Select your preferred method. Receive the 6-digit code. If you chose the authentication app, open it to retrieve the 6-digit code. If you selected SMS, check your phone for the text message containing the code. Enter the code input, the 6-digit code, into the field provided on Discord's setup page. Complete the setup. After entering the code, click Activate to finalize the process. Your Discord account is now protected by two-factor authentication. Remember, the 6-digit code will change every 30 seconds, so make sure to use it quickly to avoid expiration. That's it. Now your Discord account is much more secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.